How to set up a passkey for Stripe, one-click login. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to make it easier for you to log in into Stripe just by using your passkeys, in today's video we will be providing you with a very simple and easy guide for that. So let's get started. Open up Stripe, or you can directly go to the Stripe dashboard on your account. If you're not logged in, you can log in into your account, and from the particular interface, look out for the shop option in the top left and tap on it, this logo right here. And a menu pops up on your screen within account and settings. So you can tap on this option called account status, and that should redirect us to Chrome. Now, once we are in the account dashboard within Chrome, what we need to do is basically look out for the menu option in the top left and select it. And within the menu, we need to select the option for more, which is at the very last section. Tap on it and tap on this option called profiles and access your profiles of your Stripe. So just go over and access it, and there you'll be finding your details. You can just go over and look out for it from there. Or if your profile is not created, you can tap on the menu option at the top, and within there select the option of settings instead, and there select the option for profile or personal details and tap on it. And there is where we'll be finding our contact information, etc. You can just go over and check it out. And when you scroll a bit, you'll be finding a section for passkeys as well, where we can basically sign in securely with our biometrics device pin or hardware security key. So you can tap on add passkey, and once you do so, just go on with the verification process, follow the prompts, tap on continue, verify by email if you're using email. You can tap on open Gmail and make sure to, get the verification email and complete up the process. You need to open up the verification link on your mail and tap on verify identity. Once it is done, you can just go over and complete up the process, complete the verification process, and then your passkey should be created, which you can use in order to access your Stripe account, your dashboard very easily. And that's how we create passkey for Stripe. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.